Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So today we're going to do a $1 coin roll hunt. It's been a while since I've done one of these, so we'll see how we go. Alright, hopefully we're zoomed in enough. And you can see all the dates and anything else that we need to find and see. Been having a fairly good luck recently. Lots of variety. But I've returned all the coins and I just grabbed a few rolls. I didn't go crazy this time. I probably only grabbed about $500 or $600 worth of coins. And yeah, who knows what you're going to find. So I'd love to hear if anyone's actually finding any mules. I'd love to hear about it, how recently you found it, and how long you've been looking for. So please feel free to leave a comment and let me know how your hunts are going. One thing I haven't found a lot of recently is rabbit ears. I've been struggling to find the $1 rabbit ears. If you're unfamiliar with that, make sure you check out some of my videos where I show what I find during the week. Sometimes rabbit ears turn up on those videos, and I have done a video on rabbit ears in particular, like as in just focusing on rabbit ears, so make sure you check out that video as well. So lots of new subscribers to the channel each and every week, and I just want to welcome you all to the channel. It's great to have you with us, and really enjoy hearing that you guys are new and how you've just begun coin collecting and noodling, and it's really exciting to see more and more people taking up the hobby. And I hope you guys have fun trying to find certain things that you've seen on the channel, and thanks for letting me let me know when you do find something. I love hearing about it, and I love it when you guys are doing noodling and looking at coins with your children. That's awesome. It's great for kids to get involved with, and they can look at the coins, and especially look at the coins that, well, such as these sort of commemorative coins, and have an understanding of the significance and the importance that coins play in recognizing moments in history. So, yeah, I think it's great for kids to get involved and learn a bit more about the coins that go through our hands. We're not finding anything so far, so we'll do another roll, and then I might pause and do some more rolls and come back to you guys. But let's hope there's something of interest in this roll. hard to see exactly what's going on with those really shiny coins. I love them, but it's hard to see all the details with the light shining back on them. Oh, really feels like I've noodled all these coins. I don't know if you guys have caught up with the news, but there's been a few 2014 100 Years of Anzac mules found. So they've been milled with a 10-cent coin. So they've got the 10-cent obverse on the coin, and very, well, exactly the same era as the year 2000. So keep an eye out for that as well. But I think 2 or 3 have been found, and I think at least one of those have been graded. And yes, if you find one of those and are wanting to sell it, people are saying minimum $5,000, but possibly worth a lot more. Alright guys, I'm going to pause here and I'll come back when I find something interesting. So, fairly poor picking so far. I've been through about 10 or 11 rolls. All I've come up with is a 2015 Anzac, low mintage, and a 2018 Mob of Ruse. But that's all we've found so far. So we'll put those to a side. Yeah, normally not so difficult to find the coins, but really struggling today. Make sure you rotate each one of these, because there are a whole heap of them that can be found, and they've basically rotated 360 degrees. So it's quite a nice looking Girl Guides from 2010, but got plenty of those. There's a nice rabbit ear. So, like I said, it's been a while since I found a rabbit ear, but if we point out that extra bit of cud there that's behind the kangaroo's ear, this is as big as they get as far as rabbit ears go. That big bit of cud. Lot of smaller ones. Some of them are called flea cuds, but yeah, this is a 2016, and yeah, certainly well worth holding on to. A few dollars there if you can sell them. Alright, let's go another roll. Found quite a few year 2000 coins tonight. Always with the hope you're going to turn it over and find a mule, but as it is, majority of the time, no mules. Yep, another U2000, but not a mule, and doesn't have a rabbit ear, so there's another missing leg, but I'm finding so many of them I can't keep them all. So this is going to go back in. Oh, here's the 2019. This is the A coin, as we can see there. So I think I've explained it about 5 times, but this is the A, and there's a U and an S version, and we've got the small little 35 up there for 35 years since the $1 coin has been put into circulation. And I can't see any additional errors on this coin, but yeah, possibly well worth keeping. Should be 1 million of each of them out there, the A, U and the S. So I thought there was a little rabbit ear then, but no, just a little bit dirty. I actually didn't expect to find any new coins in these rolls. It just seemed like there was only going to be old coins, so I hadn't really seen anything shiny. And usually if you're finding one you find more, but yeah, it's been a very quiet noodling session, this one. There's a shiny, but it's a 84, fairly nice grade. Probably been in someone's money box for many years, and eventually found its way to the bank. We've got 2 more rolls that I've got here, so we might as well do them both. So I've decided that I'm going to do a giveaway when we do get to 1,000 subs. I haven't decided what we're going to give away and how many we're going to give away, but when the time does come, when we creep over that 1,000 mark, make sure you stay tuned, and we'll do another giveaway. So I'm looking forward to that. We're getting ever so close, getting closer to 900, and if it goes the way it's gone from 500 or 600 up to where we are today, it's going to happen within the next sort of month, so I'm really looking forward to that milestone. It's something I actually never thought would actually happen. I didn't think anyone would be that interested in the channel, but I'm glad you guys are sticking around and watching the videos, and I hope that I can continue to put content out there for you guys. Alright, one more roll. Let's see what we got. Come on, let there be one in here. Something nice. Not looking good, guys, but still it's been fun, and we look forward to the next roll, which is not going to be today, but here's another year 2000. Why couldn't you have been a mule? Anyway, I'm well and truly overdue for another mule. Alright guys, that's it. Let's bring the ones in that we have kept. So we got a 2015 Anzac, a nice rabbit ear, a 2019 Mob of Roos, and a 2018 Mob of Roos. So I suppose it's okay, but could have been better. But anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I look forward to bringing another one to you very soon. Thanks for watching.